Hello, this is Edwina from the Case membership team. Let's say it's a Monday and you go to log into your Case account like normal, and you just can't remember your password or you haven't logged in a while, and you get to this screen. There's a couple of things you can do. First, you can clear your browser cookies and your cache and try using a browser such as Chrome or Firefox. I'm currently in Firefox. To do this, I'm just going to click these three little lines. In Google Chrome, it will be three little dots. And we'll go here, go to history, click clear recent history, make sure cookies and cache are selected, and hit the clear now button. This will just wipe everything clear, and you can start over and just type in your password, and you should be able to log in. And when the little pop-up pops up at the bottom here, you can just click the red OK button, and then you'll be able to access your account. If you are still having issues logging in or genuinely did forget your password, you can click the forgot password link. This will send a link to your username on file. So whichever email address you have attached to your account. Check your spam folder. Sometimes it gets sent there by mistake. And if you are still having issues or if you changed to another institution or have a new email address, you can always email us at membership@case.org and we'll be able to locate your account, update your information, and send you a password to log in.